Home Remedies presents how to use watermelon seeds to cure skin diseases. Watermelon seeds are rich in niacin, a potent B vitamin that maintains the nervous and digestive systems and skin health. It makes your skin look young and healthy. These seeds are rich in micronutrients and provide nourishment to your skin. It also helps to maintain the elasticity of the skin. These seeds are potent blackhead remover. The protein, plumping linoleic acid, hydrating oleic acid, and a variety of ceramides present in these seeds help to retain a smooth, fair, and moisturized skin. Watermelon seeds have been used for centuries in the treatment of eczema and psoriasis. In addition, watermelon seeds oil treats acne, wrinkles, blemishes, and skin dullness. It is very simple how to use these seeds for skincare. Let's see how to use these seeds. Preparation. You just have to grind the seeds to make powder and make a paste of it by adding little water. Then apply the paste of watermelon seeds powder on your face for 20 minutes. Rinse your face with water after that. This is the way watermelon seeds can be used to perfectly soften, supple, and moisturize the skin. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.